Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about Winkle app, and I'm going to show you that how you can get unlimited diamonds. So practically I'm going to show you what I got so you can be able to get it also you later on with this method I'm going to show you. So I just go to the profile. As you can see right over here, I'm generating so many of them, and I'm going to show you right now that how you can do it also you guys. So this method I pointed out, guys, it works for the both devices, iOS and Android, are exactly the same steps. So today I'm going to make the tutorial. Practically I'm going to show you the steps with my iPhone, but the same steps are working also for the Android. Right now I'm recording with my Samsung. If you want me to make a tutorial for the Android, just let me know in the comments below, guys. I'm going to make also a tutorial for the Android, but I presume that you might need it because the same steps are going to be for the both devices. But anyway, if you want me to, just let me know in the comments below and I will do it. Okay, so all you have to do, guys, before you start the loading process of this mod, which is going to generate the diamonds in your app, you just need to make a few changes in the settings if you didn't do it before, or just check it if you did it, just to make sure so you can make the loading process of the mod correctly. So all you have to do, you go to the settings, then you go to the general over here, then background up refresh. Make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi and mobile data. This is going to help with the loading process of the mod, doesn't interrupt and doesn't make any problem, so it can be done smooth and faster. And the next step, you have to go to your battery. Make sure you're gonna select Wi-Fi and make sure you're gonna select switch it off, sorry, the lower power mode. So if you're using lower power mode, make sure you're gonna take it off, so in order to be done correctly. So after you complete this, you can turn it on again, switch lower power mode if you like to have it active. So after you complete this checking, guys, all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser. Let me mention to you that these steps that I already showed you before are only for iOS devices, guys. For the Android users, there is no need to make any changes in the settings. You need to go directly to your internet browser. Okay, you can use any kind of internet browser. All you have to do, you just need to type for this website, which I'm going to type for you guys and write it immediately, and I will focus it. You need to enter over here, and as you can see, you have different categories over here. So practically we are looking for a mod, so you just need to go to the mods, press on it, and then you just need to scroll it, and here it comes, Winkle. You just press the blue sign on the side, and then you just need to press the blue sign over here, download, to start the loading process of the mod. And as you can see, it will continue, and at the end of this process you're going to be able to get the mod, and it will start to generate the diamonds same as it did to me, guys. Okay, so this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to support my channel and don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next video. Cheers.